Hey everyone, it's Dr. Lane here. Today I told you I'd be going over some research. Here's a I want to share with you from the FDA.gov. Okay, so this is actually the insert for the new vaccine insert for the flu vaccine. Okay, so if you look right here, 2004 2025 formula, this is initial USA approval. Okay, but if you come down here, I want you to read this stuff really slow with me. Okay, so this is for type A and type B contained in these vaccines. Okay. Um, it is approved for the use in adults 65 years of the age and older. Wait a second. What if you're 64? Does it work? Is it safe? What if you're 21? It says 65 and older. So, hey, I don't think I can take this stuff. If you got contraindications up here, this vaccine includes egg protein. Egg protein, I don't mind eating egg protein, but I don't want to inject it in my arm, crossing my blood-brain barrier. If you had Guillain-Barré syndrome within the last 6 weeks, I'd be crazy. Adverse reactions, okay? This is the percentage of people, 21% had muscle pain, 15% have fatigue. But let's keep on going down here, okay? These are the individual indications of usages, okay? Remember, 65 and older, so this doesn't talk to anybody else besides them. The dosages, we're not going to need to know about that as the lame person, chiropractor, if you're a nurse and stuff like that, that might be up your alley. So here we go. Come on down here to the warning and side effects. So in 1976, the swine influenza vaccine was associated with an elevated risk of Guillain-Barre's. Wow. So it has risks. It is not safe, right? So keep on going here. The most common is a systemic reaction in adults 65 years of age and older who received this were injected site had pain. Remember, we had muscle pain. Now we got, this is the tenderness, the myalgia right there, the fatigue, and 13% had headaches. Does it say how long they had the pain? Does it say how long they have headaches? Does it say that they have headaches for the rest of their lives? It doesn't say that, does it? Because these clinical trials, look at these experiences here. These are 17 clinical studies in 10,000 patients, 65 years or older, okay? I'm reading this with you because I have yet to look at this yet. This is interesting. Look at this right here. Within each treatment group, there were 53% Asians, 28% were Caucasian, 18% were Hispanic, and 1% Black, and 1% fewer than Native American. Wait a second. I live in Missouri. We don't have 50% Asians. This isn't a racial comment or nothing, but most of the Asians you see today where I live are actually pretty fit and pretty skinny. They don't look like they're walking around like obese people with a lot of excess toxins, having diabetes. They're a lot different shape than people that are Hispanic. And we know for a fact that Black people are more susceptible for different type of diseases than Caucasians or Asians. I mean, you got sickle cell anemia. This is why the government took Black people and did experiments on them without them knowing. That's a good YouTube video research. So this is crazy. Okay, we know that Asians have higher IQ levels. Where they came from, they were eating more iodine. They have less susceptible to cancer because of the green tea they were drinking. So this here is a flawed study. Okay, they should have had. Hey, we have everyone the same age, the same diet, the same body type, but it doesn't say that. Flawed research. Okay. We could get into the serious adverse events and deaths. But wait, vaccines are safe, right? In study one, remember they said there were like 17 studies, correct? The subjects were followed around and they checked the deaths for 1 year following the vaccinations. Wow, list how many people had died of deaths. So there were 98 deaths, 21 days, okay? What happened on 4? Okay, you got neurological conditions. You've got all these diseases that could occur, like the Guillain-Barré disease. Did you follow them for 2 years later? Who took care of these people? So as you can see, very cherry picked on what they wanted to do. Okay, look at all this stuff. Losing your hearing. These are neuralgia. It's nerve. Feel my leg. Can't move my leg. Oh wow, they're safe. I feel dizzy, so now I can't drive a car ever again. Feel nauseous. So you tell me. Okay, wait a second. This is not approved for the use of the person. Pregnancy. Okay. Why? Pregnant people just dangerously uh, going to get sick a lot easier? I know pregnant people are a lot more healthier than anyone in the world. Okay. Uh, Anyways,